The text pen is a really helpful tool. If I've got a lot of students in my class that are all coming up to use the board, I've got year 3 with me, and when they come up to the screen, I want them to be able to get involved, answering questions, but it can get a little bit messy up here. But I still want them to be writing it themselves. I don't want them to be typing it in. I want them to practice their handwriting up on the screen. The text pen is perfect for that. If I come here into the pens and then choose my pen, I can come down here to this purple pen called the text pen, and it does what it sounds like. So I just write what I want on the board, nice and messy, and it will convert it across into text for me. Nice and easy. I get another student up, they write on the board, and then as they go away it will convert it into text. Really helpful for when they want to get involved, but also you want to keep it as evidence, therefore you want it neat, so when you look back over it, it's nice and easy to read.